Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Exide Industries. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further updates, and join the Telegram channel as well. The link has been shared in the description box. Now Exide Industries, you can see I have taken the monthly chart, and let me explain you why I've taken this monthly chart. And guys, you can see here this pink colored line is 50 moving average. Remember one thing, whenever prices close above this 50 moving average on monthly basis, then there are good chances, high probability, prices can start moving on the upside direction. Let me repeat it again. Whenever price closes above this 50 moving average on monthly basis, by month end if it's closed above this 50 moving average, then there are good chances prices will start moving on the upside direction. There are some more things which has to be added, but for now I'll keep it very simple. Now you can see here, I'll just show you some examples. Whenever price has closed above 50 moving average, how it has reacted. Okay, you can see here we had a downward move here, right? Let me zoom this, and after that we have got a close above this 50 moving average here. This was in May month 2014, and then you can see it from this high. Once it broke this high about 145, it has started moving up beautifully. It has almost made a high of 205. From 145 it has made a high of 205, so it amounts to be almost around 30 to 40%, I suppose, the momentum in just almost around 1 year or 8 to 10 months. It has given 40%. That's good enough. And you can see here again we had a downward move here. This was a downward move, and price closed above this 50 moving average, and this high was 153.40, and you can see here price above 153.40, it has beautifully moved up and almost made 304. I think it's almost around more than 100% reward here, right? This is very simple to understand. I'll share more ideas like this in upcoming videos. And one more thing to tell you now, you can see here how this 50 moving average on monthly basis has also acted as a support. You can see here it has acted as a resistance, here it acted as a resistance, and then it has fallen down as well. Now after around 2019 July, this is the first time probably prices are trying to break this to 50 moving average on monthly basis. You can see here previous month as well, in the February 2021, we have not seen price close above this because this is acting as a strong resistance. There are some sellers sitting here. Now let's see in this month and the coming week how this Exide Industries can react. Guys, remember, in case in March price closes above this level, this 50 moving average, then we can expect some big momentum on the upside. Once it closes above that, I'll again share a video. For now, if you understood this concept, give a like. Any doubts, drop a comment, and join this channel. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And now let's move to weekly chart and see what our next analysis is. And you can also check out this concept in other charts as well. It works wonderful. Now you can see here, guys, on weekly basis, this 200-day moving average, the black colored line, is acting as a strong resistance, right? Though it has closed above this, but still prices have come down. Let me draw a trend line and see what is happening here. At least based on the trend line, if possible, we can take the trade here, a long trade. I'm using log chart now. Okay, let me draw one more trend line. Okay, this looks a little good. Okay, now I am drawing few range as well. This is the range high 219.30, and this is the range low 198. It's almost around, guys, 19 points range. Okay, now in Exide Industries, remember one thing, if there is a bullish candle close above this 200-day moving average, and if it breaches 219.30, we can see some good move on the upside direction in the coming weeks, right? And in case price breaches this 198.40 and closes this below this trend line, guys, we can expect prices to hit this trend line again. So for now, Exide Industries is still holding the uptrend line and it looks bullish, but I'll be very bullish once it closes above this 200-day moving average. You can see here, I'll show you, whenever it has rejected from this 200-day moving average, you can see we have seen a couple of good momentum for small weeks, almost around 3 to 4 weeks. See here, close above this 200-day moving average, and you can see what is the movement here. This 50 moving average, which was acting as a resistance. So close above this 200-day moving average in Exide Industries by weekend, then we can expect some move on the upside. So what are the targets we can expect? Let me mark the targets as well. So on the upside, the targets can be 228. Above that, we'll have somewhere around 237, 250. 250, 270, and then we can expect 292 as well, provided it closes above this 200-day moving average with a bullish candle. Based on that, we can analyze and then take a trade for a good target of 292 as well. But every time it hits the target, make sure you start trading the stop loss and start booking in bits and pieces so that you don't lose the potential profit what you have earned. Right, alright guys, this is all I have for Exide Industries. For investors, this can be a good opportunity. Have a look at it. Thanks for watching this video guys. Any doubts, you can drop a comment. I'll try to solve that. I'll see you in the next video.